Manipur Chief Minister Biren said that the Sportspersons Livelihood Guarantee Scheme introduced for the welfare of the sportspersons in the state is the first of its kind in India. The Chief Minister stated this during the blessing ceremony held at his Secretariat for Manipur contingent to participate in the 3rd Northeast Game 2024 from March 18 to March 23 in Nagaland. Biren said Manipur is called the powerhouse of sports in India for the laurels and achievements it has brought to the country. Keeping in mind this fact, the state introduced many welfare schemes and policies for sports persons. In order to keep the youth healthy and exploit their talents in the right ways, the state introduced the One Village, One Playground scheme, he said. The Chief Minister further said the Sportspersons Livelihood Guarantee Scheme was introduced for the benefit of sportspersons who, although participated in national and international, could not get medals or government jobs.
National players in the pencil girl was a lot. Each and every national players, Hanaru was in international players, and say you could pencil scheme of a Sugar scheme, I come to state the later. Like I said, my brother is social living, job. But systematically, sportspersons you can never more livelihood, more family, who scheme, can have said, what may have said. I did the equipment for the first way. Whether you come to the water, Yangi whatever, one Mogoroyo was Hanama, the discipline, very important. I hate when I tell you, discipline will open the very maximum that may my discipline.